Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was just sent this really cool tennis trainer, which is fantastic because it comes where you can collapse it down like this. Easily is going to fit in the back of an SUV. It only weighs about 32 pounds, so it's not extremely heavy, but it comes with this really nice handle that you can easily pull it around to transport this wherever you're wanting to go. And with those wheels, it makes that super easy. So once you get this where you're going, it's real easy to set this up. You just simply have to remove the top piece here and then flip it over. And it actually is going to create this hopper that can actually hold 100 different tennis balls. Now, of course, you do have to provide your own tennis balls, but that situates just like that. And then you do have your battery pack here. Now this is a battery pack. It's an external battery pack. So this is really cool because you can actually just take this part off, take it inside and charge it up anytime. Lasts for 5 hours, guys. So this thing is going to last for a long time worth of playing. I like to just take it and stick it on the back of there, and then it has a cord that plugs into the back here. So it's very simple. Simply turn this on, and that's it, and it's ready to go and get situated. Now I wanted to show you one other cool thing before I put the balls in, and that is this has two different ways to access this. If you're playing solo, you've got a remote that they provide, which you can easily click to select different, where you want to have it shoot. It actually can shoot up to 20 different points on the court. You can adjust the speed, the interval, the spin. I mean, this can put forward spin, back spin. You can adjust it there, or I personally like just using the app. So on the app, it runs with a Bluetooth connected to this. Once that's on, this scans for devices. It's going to find the device, and I have access to all the stuff on the remote from here. Shows where it is on the court. It's now ready to rock and roll. It connected itself. So now from here, you can adjust your frequency, speed, and spin. But let's go ahead and show you kind of what this thing can do when we put the balls in. We've got about 40 balls. This will hold 100 different balls. So go ahead and bring out the balls, guys, and let's get this thing fired up. So I've got this thing set up. It's going to go ahead and fire them out there, and I've got it set up to shoot at basically the same spot, and I've got it set to a little bit of lower speed. Now this will actually can do up to 75 miles an hour, so this thing can really rock it out there, which is great. But if you're using it for littler kids or need to get this stuff trained up, you can easily do that, and you can adjust it on the fly. So I can adjust the speed down, maybe make it shoot a little bit slower. I can adjust the spin if I want to have that adjusted, or just adjust the angle. So currently it's been shooting it right down the middle there, but if I want to move it over, I can easily adjust that and shoot it over, so I can shoot it to the other kid over there. Or if I'm doing it with myself, you can adjust this frequency down. I've got it set at frequency 3 right now, so it's shooting it about every 10 seconds, but you can easily adjust this up if I want to crank the frequency up. So I'm going to crank it all the way up to 10. So I'm going to crank the frequency up. It's going to start just cranking these balls out there, and it's just going to start firing them out there. Get them a lot of practice. Now I'll go over and shoot it to the other kid. Now, another thing I want to show you here is it's got these modes on the top here. Let me go ahead and turn down the frequency so it's not just pelting them with balls here. But you can set a random to where it's going to hit any spot on there. Now it's going to hit random, and it's going to automatically adjust. You can see it anywhere on there, and it's going to fire it up, down, different places, and get them the ability to hit those balls and kind of test their skills, so that you can do work on forehand, backhand. It'll automatically adjust the spin. I mean, this thing is super, super cool. This is like your personal tennis trainer, especially if you're going to get out there and do this on your own. You just simply load it up with 100 balls, set it up where it needs to be, get on the other end, hit random, and just rock it. That way you don't have to worry about finding somebody else to play with. You've got this really cool device. Absolutely love it. Loving the battery life, loving the portability. Loving this as a previous tennis player myself. This would have been a fantastic tool to have for any court.